The allure of fluffy Japanese souffle pancakes lies in their cloud-like texture and delicate flavor. Transforming two simple eggs into this exquisite dish is a delightful challenge that rewards you with delightful pancakes that melt in your mouth. Begin by gathering your ingredients. You will need 2 eggs, flour, milk, baking powder, sugar, and a hint of vanilla. Prepare your workspace with a whisk and a mixing bowl, setting the stage for the magic to unfold. Start by carefully separating the egg whites from the yolks. This crucial step lays the foundation for the airy structure of the souffle pancakes. In a bowl, whisk the yolks until they transform into a creamy, pale mixture, adding a splash of milk and a touch of vanilla essence to enrich the flavors. Gradually incorporate the flour and baking powder, creating a smooth batter that exudes a comforting aroma. Next, it's time to bring the egg whites to life. Using a clean bowl and a whisk, beat the egg whites until soft peaks form. The texture transforms, becoming light and frothy, ready to be folded into the yolk mixture. Gently introduce the whipped egg whites to the batter, ensuring you maintain their delicate fluffiness. This gentle folding technique is key. It allows the batter to capture air, enabling the pancakes to rise beautifully on the stovetop. With your batter ready, preheat a non-stick skillet over low heat. Lightly grease it to prevent sticking, and using a spoon, drop rounds of batter into the skillet, creating the signature souffle shape. Covering the skillet ensures that the pancakes steam as they cook, enhancing their fluffiness. After a few moments, carefully flip the pancakes. The anticipation builds as they take on a golden hue, their fluffy peaks rising higher, promising a delightful taste experience. Once cooked, stack your perfectly risen pancakes on a plate and allow your creativity to shine. Generously drizzle maple syrup or honey, letting the sweetness seep into the soft layers. A sprinkle of powdered sugar dusts the pancakes with elegance. Fresh fruits like strawberries or blueberries add a vibrant contrast, enhancing both flavor and presentation. Finally, a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream transforms these pancakes into an opulent breakfast treat that beckons you to savor every bite.